Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have your background and font decisions. Now start. Open the image in your editor and immediately create a dedicated text layer so changes stay non-destructive. Position a rough text block where composition feels balanced, then lock the background layer to avoid accidental edits. Use a readable font size and pick color with at least 4. 5. 1 contrast for accessibility. Once done, enable grid or rule guides to align text precisely and keep consistent margins as you proceed to style. Now you refine the text so it reads and looks good. You should tweak tracking and line height to avoid collisions and scale using transform tools while holding shift or using numeric input for precision. Add subtle effects, 0. 5.2px shadow, 30% opacity overlay, or a 1px stroke to separate text from busy backgrounds. Make sure effects remain crisp at export size. Once refined, convert the text into a smart object or group to preserve editability and lock alignment, with guides for finish by exporting correctly. Choose PNG for transparency, JPG for photographic backgrounds, or SVG for scalable logos and text. You should preview at 100% and on target devices to confirm legibility. For print, switch to 300 dpi. If text still blends into the background, add a semi-opaque band or low contrast overlay, bump font weight, or slightly increase tracking. One key troubleshooting tip. If effects render inconsistently, rasterize a copy to inspect pixels, then fix at source in the editable file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.